Hey guys, this is a BMW X5 2012 model, a inline 6 actually. So it came in for misfires actually. So it has air leaks. It was misfiring badly. So I'm bringing out some error codes. So this is where I was trying to fix the plugs, remove the plugs. So what we did here was a service tune-up actually. We did a service tune-up for it. Listen, we went through all the plugs, we cleaned them, we put them back, went through all the coils, all the air intake, everything, made sure that it was in perfect condition for doing anything. So here is when the car was delivered to the customer. He was so happy, the car was perfect and all that. So bring your car in for servicing. Thank you.